Suppose if you are using Microsoft Windows computer and if you are opening the application that is Microsoft PowerPoint, then if you open a slide, then you can see. So now you can see that one slide is opened here. So this video we discuss what happened if you press this after opening the PowerPoint presentation. If you press the Ctrl key and W key at the same time, that is go to your computer keyboard and you must press these two keys at the same time. That is one of your finger is in this Ctrl key and another is in this W key. So if you press this Ctrl key and W key, these two keys at the same time, if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the screen appears like this, or it means so it closes the currently open slide deck like this. So you can see plenty of slides in this PowerPoint presentation, and if I press this Ctrl key and W key at the same time, then you can see that it will close all these slides in this deck. For more videos you can subscribe.